Hey everyone. It's me, your favorite MoneyBot. Feeling trapped in that 9 to 5 grind? Like a hamster stuck on a wheel? Yeah, I feel you. But guess what? There's an exit ramp. Today, we're gonna explore 8 side hustles that could completely change your financial game. We're talking about unlocking a sweet $20,000 per month. Imagine ditching the cubicle and building a life you actually love. Sounds good? Let's dive in and get that side hustle engine roaring. Let's kick things off with a game changer, building a profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face. It's all about smart content creation, and with some AI magic, it's easier than you think. Here's the beauty of it. ChatGPT, your new best friend in the content creation world, that can help you write those scripts. No more writer's block, just pure creative flow. Then, I'm gonna hit you with a game changer, a hidden gem of an app that I'll reveal in another video. This app takes your script and turns it into a storyboard with voiceovers, basically creating the entire video for you in minutes. Imagine this, you pick a niche, let's just say travel, and churn out videos like 10 must-see places in Jamaica or France, the foodie's paradise. Before you know it, you've got a channel with 200 videos, raking in 20,000 daily views. And guess what, that translates to around $6,000 every single month hitting your bank account. That's pretty sweet. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay with me, because we've got 7 more money-making streams to go over, and this 9 to 5 job won't stand a chance against your online empire. Okay, while that faceless YouTube channel is cooking, let's not forget about another passive income stream, the low-content book. Now, don't be intimidated by the word book. We're not talking about writing the next great American novel here. Think of it more like a guided travel journal. Remember that travel niche we picked for your YouTube channel? Perfect. Use that same theme to create a journal where people can document their adventures. Include sections for recording the country they're visiting, their precious memories, and even space for collecting souvenirs like stamps or stickers. They can then paste them in and create a personalized record of their trip. Here's the best part, you can sell these bad boys on Amazon KDP. It's like a one-stop shop for creating and publishing your book. Plus, they have this drop shipping magic where they handle the printing and fulfillment, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Imagine selling just 10 of these journals a day at $10 a pop. That's an extra $3,000 every month flowing into your pockets passively. Remember, this is just one income stream. We're building an empire here, and the next money maker is just around the corner. Speaking of which, while those YouTube views and book sales are stacking up, let's add some fuel to the fire with a powerful blog. But don't worry, you won't have to work day and night writing endless articles. We're gonna leverage the magic of ChatGPT once again. This AI whiz can churn out high-quality, 1,000-word blog posts in minutes. Just take those posts, add your own personal touch and sprinkle in some of your travel expertise, and voila! You've got yourself killer content. Now, where to publish these masterpieces? Platforms like Medium are a great starting point. They allow you to upload your content and potentially earn up to $500 per post. Not bad, but that's just the beginning. You can also set up your own website and monetize it with Google AdSense. This means you get paid whenever someone clicks on an ad displayed on your blog. The key here is consistency. Aim for 2 to 3 blog posts per week and focus on building website traffic. Once you hit 50,000 views per month, you're looking at a potential combined income of around $6,000 from both platforms. That's passive income working its magic while you explore the world and film your next YouTube video. This empire is pretty much building itself, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Now here's where things really get interesting. Remember that travel YouTube channel and blog we're building? Let's turn them into money-making machines with the power of affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote travel-related products you love, like backpacks, portable chargers, or even language learning apps. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Here's how it works, you mention these products in your videos and blog posts, showcasing their benefits and why you love them. You can even create dedicated review videos or blog articles highlighting their features. Remember, be genuine and transparent with your audience. Only recommend products you truly believe in and that would genuinely enhance their travel experiences. Now, the more viewers and readers you have, the more potential for clicks and conversions. Once you build a loyal following, with something like 200,000 YouTube subscribers, you could be looking at around $2,000 in affiliate income every month. Not bad. And this is just another revenue stream feeding your growing online empire, and trust me, we're just getting started. Alright, so we've been building this amazing online empire, but what about rewarding your most loyal fans, the ones who keep coming back for more travel adventures? That's where Patreon comes in. It's a platform where you can offer exclusive content and perks to your biggest supporters, in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. Think of it like a VIP club for your travel enthusiasts. You could offer early access to new videos, behind-the-scenes footage, personalized shoutouts, or even live Q&A sessions. The possibilities are endless. Let your creativity flow and create experiences that money can't buy on your YouTube channel. Now, the beauty of Patreon is that it allows you to build a stronger community with your most dedicated viewers. They feel valued and appreciated, and you get the financial support to keep creating awesome travel content. Set your subscription fee at something reasonable, like $5 a month, and with just 100 patrons, you'd be bringing in an extra $500 every month. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about fostering genuine connections with your audience. They're the fuel that keeps your travel empire running, and Patreon is the perfect way to show them your gratitude. Alright, so we've talked about creating awesome content, but let's not forget the power of selling your own products. This is where your website truly becomes the central hub of your travel empire. Remember those low-content travel journals we discussed earlier? You can absolutely sell them directly on your website, alongside other travel-related products you've created. Think about it, design custom t-shirts with your travel channel logo or funny travel quotes. Create printable packing checklists or ebooks filled with travel tips and tricks. These are all digital products that require minimal effort to maintain once created, and can bring in passive income. Now, the key is driving traffic to your website. Promote your products across your YouTube channel, blog, and social media. Offer bundled deals or discounts to incentivize purchases. Remember, even with 100 sales per month at a $5 profit each, you're adding an extra $500 to your monthly income. That might not seem like much at first, but every little bit counts. And as your online empire grows, so will your product offerings and customer base. This website is your own personal marketplace, and the possibilities are endless. Okay, we've been building this travel empire brick by brick, and now it's time to share your knowledge and expertise with the world through online courses. Think about it, you've become a travel guru, and there's people out there who crave your wisdom. Whether it's mastering the art of budget travel, conquering language barriers, or packing like a pro, you have valuable skills to share. Here's the beauty, platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make creating and selling online courses easier than ever. You film your lessons, package them into a curriculum, and upload them to the platform. They handle the marketing and student enrollment, while you take a cut of the profits. Now, the key is to identify a specific niche within your travel expertise. Maybe you focus on backpacking through Southeast Asia, or mastering the art of solo travel. Once you have your niche, craft a course that solves a specific problem, or fulfills a desire for your target audience. Remember, creating valuable and engaging content is crucial. You don't need fancy equipment, just your passion and knowledge can shine through. With enough dedication and the right platform, you can build a loyal student base eager to learn from your travel experiences. And trust me, the feeling of helping others while earning passive income is truly rewarding. So, unleash your inner teacher and share your travel wisdom with the world. Your online course could be the next big addition to your growing empire. Alright, we've been crushing it with our travel content, but let's talk about another way to expand your online empire, selling products online. Now, this isn't just about your own merch on your website. We're talking about leveraging the power of established platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Imagine this, you create a niche around a specific travel destination, like Thailand. You design eye-catching t-shirts featuring funny Thai phrases or beautiful landscapes. You source unique, handcrafted souvenirs from local craftsmen, or design customizable travel mugs. The possibilities are endless. Here's the beauty, these platforms already have a massive built-in audience searching for travel-related products. You can list your products with clear descriptions and high-quality photos, reaching potential customers worldwide. Plus, they handle most of the fulfillment and customer service, so you don't have to worry about the hassle of shipping or returns. Now, the key is to stand out from the crowd. Carry out thorough product research to identify unique items or creative designs that travelers will love. Remember, high-quality photos and compelling descriptions are crucial for grabbing attention. Don't forget to leverage your YouTube channel and blog to promote your products and drive traffic to your online store. Even with moderate sales, you can add a significant boost to your income. Imagine selling 50 unique phone cases on Etsy at a $10 profit each. That's an extra $500 in your pocket. Remember, This is just another income stream feeding your online empire, and the more creative and strategic you get, the more you can scale your product sales and solidify your place in the travel e-commerce world. Alright, we've covered 8 different ways to build your travel empire, from creating faceless YouTube channels to selling products online. Remember, this is just the beginning. The key is to take action, experiment, and find what works best for you. Don't let that 9 to 5 hold you back. Go out there, explore the world, and build your travel empire brick by brick, bite by bite. With dedication and a little bit of hustle, you can create a life of freedom and adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep working.